Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing another easy full keto meal. We will be making keto zucchini fries in the air fryer, and we'll be making stuffed green peppers. First off, I'd like to say this recipe comes from the Keto Dad on Facebook. So please go check him out. It looks like he has a lot of good recipes. So what do we need for our keto stuffed green peppers? We need 2 or 3 green peppers cut in half sideways. You can cut it like you normally do, but the way he cut it, I thought it would be a lot easier to eat. 1/2 to 1 pound ground beef. 1/4 cup red onion diced. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic. I actually am going to be using the chopped garlic. 1/2 cup diced tomatoes. 1/2 cup riced cauliflower. 1/4 cup marinara sauce. Now I'm going to be using pizza sauce, and the reason why is I don't do a keto diet, but I want to present this as a true keto meal. So I did some research, and to have low-carb marinara sauce, you need, for a 1/4 cup serving, you need 4 grams or less. And all of the marinara sauce that I looked at have more than the 4 grams. But the pizza sauce does have 4 grams, so that is why I'm going to be using that. 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese grated, and grated mozzarella cheese. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is preheat the oven to 375. And lightly spray your baking dish. You don't want the green peppers to stick. And here are the green peppers that I cut in half sideways. I think they'll be a lot easier to eat out of. And we'll go ahead and put them in the pan. And set it aside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just use the full pound and stuff them really good in the green peppers. So you want to go ahead and put your hamburger in your pan and add your 1/4 cup of red onions, and then let it brown. So the hamburger is browned, and you want to go ahead and drain your grease if you have any. I'm using 93% lean, so I really don't have any grease to drain. And you want to go ahead and add the 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. The 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. The 1/2 cup diced tomatoes. The 1/2 cup rice cauliflower. And go ahead and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. So you want to go ahead and shut the heat off. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. And the 1/4 cup pizza sauce. And mix that until fully combined. And of course you'd have it a little bit more thinner, runnier if you only used a 1/2 of a pound of hamburger. And now we'll go ahead and stuff our green peppers. And then put it in the pan, and I'll continue to fill these up. Okay, so the peppers are all stuffed, and then you want to go ahead and top it off with mozzarella cheese. And put it into a 375-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. So what all goes into the keto zucchini fries? You'll need 2 medium zucchinis, 1 large egg beaten, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, avocado oil spray. So here is the avocado oil, and I'm just going to put it in a little spray bottle, and ranch dressing to dip. Now with the ranch dressing, I wanted to make sure that it was also keto because I did not want to give you any false presentation. And so I did research on that, and it said anything for under 2 grams for serving size, and this is 1 gram. So let's begin. Okay, so while the stuffed peppers are cooking, we'll go ahead and cook our zucchini fries in my air fryer here. I have the Big Boss. I love it. The only bad thing about it is it stands too tall, so I have a hard time cooking with it. All my cabinets are too low. And you want to go ahead and spray the basket with cooking spray. So you want to go ahead and take your zucchini, cut the ends off, cut it in half, and make fry size pieces. Okay, so they are all cut up, and then you want to go ahead and just pat them dry. And then you want to get 2 shallow dishes, one to put the egg in and one to put the seasonings in. And then go ahead and whisk the egg. Then in the other shallow dish, you're going to want to put in 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, and then you want to go ahead and mix that up. And take a zucchini fry and put it in the egg, and then put it in the coating. And you can go ahead and kind of pack it on there so it stays. And then put it in the basket in a single layer. Okay, so it is all that I could get in the basket, and we'll go ahead and put the lid on and put it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. I'm going to have to do 2 batches. And then you're going to go ahead and take your avocado oil and spray. Do it pretty liberally. and then bake it until it's nice and crispy. And you can see that it is cooking. Okay, so here is our keto meal. We have the keto stuffed green peppers and the keto zucchini fries. Okay, so unfortunately my husband don't get to do the taste test on this today. He's out on the road working. But I'll go ahead and give it a try. So I have a little bit of ranch for my zucchini fries, but I'm going to try them first without the ranch. Oh wow, that's really, really good. I love the coating on that. I don't even think you need ranch, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. That is really, really good. Like I said, I am not on the keto diet, but I would fix this again just because it tastes good. And I don't even think I'm going to use any more ranch because I like it better without. Delicious. And I was also thinking on these zucchini fries, if you don't have an air fryer, you could probably bake them in the oven and then the last 5 minutes or so, put it under broil so it could get brown. So let's try the stuffed green pepper. It has a really good flavor. You know, it actually tastes just like any everyday regular stuffed green pepper. You don't taste the cauliflower in there. I really, really do like this. So there you have it. Another easy, full keto meal. If you try it, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.